Hi, today we're doing Sagittarius nails. I start by applying shadow, follow with shaded top coat, which is a blooming gel. Now I go in with white art gel first before I follow with pigment base. This is orange gel color. We're gonna do a fire background for Sagittarius. Make the second layer by repeating the first step, but use yellow instead of white. Now I'm using the bow and arrow kit from 𝗪𝗪𝗪.𝗧𝗜𝗏. Use gel and glue to adhere, then apply matte on everything. Now I'm using 3 strands of metallic thread and tie it into a knot. Then run it through the bow and then start braiding. Remember, I count 12 times and then run it through the arrow. Then count 12 more times when you braid to make everything balanced. Now apply a little gel to cure the end and glue it to the other end of the bow. Now make sure you glue the arrow and the bow together. Then I'm gonna apply crystal using the same gel and glue. These crystals are also included in the bow and arrow kit for you. And I'm also a Sagittarius, so this set is very special to me. Happy birthday, everyone!